Today we're going to talk about the transaxles built by the pros here at Airkewld. We offer a Freeway Flyer option and a Performance option. Both have 412 ring and pinions. This is the Freeway Flyer edition with optional disc brakes. This is a factory rebuilt transmission that we put the bigger, longer ring and pinion in it, and the 082 fourth, and we build them in short axle and long axle short spline and long axle applications. We can do custom builds. You can email us or comment below with details on that. And just want to kind of do an updated video on the finish and the installation of the transaxle. This, as I said before, it comes with the optional disc brakes. This is our bad series kit with the billet dust caps inside of it, the grease caps. Caliper brackets hanging our e-brake calipers. Cross-drilled rotor and the wide 5 bolt pattern. This pattern here can be removed and a smaller pattern be put on, so you can change wheels. Those are available on our store. But as you see, these all come with no oil in them. We do recommend Valvoline 8090. Seal, all new bearings, synchros, input shaft, seals. The axles are stock, checked for straightness. The upgraded performance model will come with a super diff, heavy duty side plates, steel shift forks, and hardened keys. Usually works for most options. We do have the ability to put chromoly axles or the all aluminum case version, similar to very OCD about fit and finish of everything. I want it to be perfect, centered, the right bolts, the right grease, everything's lubed, ready to go. This is left loose, so as you rotate the assembly, you can not bend the boot or twist the boot, and then you obviously have to tighten that after installation. Here is where you fill the tranny with oil. Once installed, you'll fill it until it seeps out the edge. That will tell you if the transmission is full. Which Bowman tube goes in here. Sweet 6-shooter can go here. And shift coupler goes there. 6-shooter. So that's all we got here today on our PRObuilt Transaxles. We can do custom gearing, we can do Airkewld gears, we could do chromoly axles, we can do aluminum case. Usually none of that is really needed unless you build in a powerhouse. Normal everyday driving, you can get away with a lot of things. Appreciate you tuning in and watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment down here. Not like down here, but like in the description. And let us know. We're here to help. 2020 is coming, or it's here, depending on when you're watching this video. Thanks guys, take care.